Hi everyone, am I audible? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we'll just wait for 5 minutes more. Let everyone join in, then we'll just start. Okay, just allow some time. Let everyone join in, then we'll start. Okay, I guess we can start now. So I guess yesterday, Ram Krishna has done with the presentation, along with Somadeep have also done with the presentation. So guys, have you done the updation? Whatever be the like feedback I have given, have you worked on those?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so are you done submitting your project?
No, ma'am. I have not submitted yet. But, mm,
Got it.
ma'am,
But make sure.
we just need.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Come
Uh,
again.
ma'am, can you explain that which files we need to share in the mail and which format?
Okay. Okay, so you have the Excel file on with all of the details along with your dashboard and everything, right? So you need to push in that in the GitHub, create a GitHub repository, share your file up there, and you have all of the details from there on, right? So by that you'll get the GitHub link, like the GitHub repository link. You need to share that in the mail. Along with that, you have to share the Excel file that you have worked on, like the dashboard that you have prepared, that is in a single Excel workbook, right? And there are multiple sheets out there with the identifying names also, right? So the same Excel file you need to attach in the mail. Along with that, attach the Word file that contains the insights along with that, the recommendation you are providing, that would be also there. Okay. So all of these things you have to just put in a mail. Just mention week one along with the project, week one mini project, then add the project title and accordingly go ahead. Like share the mail actually. Give a proper body of the mail and then share your project with all of these attachments. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I guess this is for everyone. I hope now on everyone don't have any issue of how to share it, where to share it. I guess I have already mentioned the mail ID multiple times, like where you need to share it. So in that mail ID only you have to share all of your projects henceforth, like for every week project. Okay. So accordingly, what about Somadeep? Are you done with the like whatever be the feedbacks given? Have you worked on that? Updated your project? Somadeep Bhattacharya. Can you hear me? If you have any issue related to the mic, you can put it the answer in the chat. I'll just go through that. Fine. Okay, so rest of you guys, hopefully you are ready with your projects. You need to present it today. Prakhar, yesterday you are supposed to present, but we due to lack of time we couldn't. So today will you be able to present it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so kindly share your screen and start with your project presentation. Okay, kindly guys let me know who all are done with the sections like project. So we can go ahead with that. Just a minute, Prakhar, your screen is visible. We'll just go through it. By the time I'll just want to know from others, what about you? Just let me know what is the status. So based on that, I can queue you up so that after Prakhar, others can be queued and based on that, we can move ahead. Monica, what about Monica? Monica, can you switch on your mic? Om Prakash, Prachi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Om Prakash, are you
Yes,
done with
ma'am.
the project?
No, ma'am.
Why? Are you new to the session?
Yes, ma'am. New.
When you have joined?
On Saturday, ma'am.
This Saturday. Okay, fine. Yes, Monica, tell. Yeah, Monica, tell. Fine. Om Prakash, you're not done with your project because you have joined on Saturday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We'll just get back to you how you need to submit it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Monica, Monica, you are not audible. I can't hear you. Hello? Not audible. Can you drop it in the chat? In the chat. Prakhar, just a minute. Just give me 5 minutes. Prachi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you done with your project?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So after Prakhar, you will go ahead with the project. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Prajna, Prajna Mandal.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you done with your project?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after Prachi, you'll go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Yogeshwaran,
Yes, ma'am.
Yog, are you done with your project?
Yeah, ma'am, but I didn't create the presentation at all. I just created the Excel dashboard and
That's
Word
fine.
document.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay. Okay.
PPT, creating PPT is not mandatory. Who is preparing, that's good only. But you have one prepared, that's okay. We can go ahead. Not an issue. So after Prajna, you will prepare, like you will go ahead with the presentation. Okay, Yogeshwaran?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Prakhar, you can start with your presentation.
Good evening, all. Good evening, ma'am, and all the members. Myself, Prakhar Khandelwal, and today's my topic of presentation is analysis of air quality trends and pollutant composition in Delhi. So, the problem that I have identified is uh, the to analyze the trend and composition of key air pollutants in Delhi over the period of over 2 years period, like from January 21 to January 2023. My analysis seeks to identify the most polluted months and verify the hypothesis that air quality significantly deteriorates during the winter months, like October to February, due to the high PM2.5 concentrations. So here I have used the methodology like firstly the data source that I have collected is from Kaggle, and secondly I have imported the data set as a CSV file to MS Excel. Then I have performed data cleaning like removing of duplicate value, corrected the date and time formatting, and handled the blank values. To structure the data, I have derived the time and month year columns using the Excel functions. After analyzing more, like performing EDA, I have aggregated hourly data into monthly averages using the pivot tables and apply conditional formatting. So here is the dashboard overview. Like I have built a dashboard using the Excel pivot table and charts, which summarizes the trends and composition and seasonal variation in air pollutants over 2 year period. My main KPIs are PM 2.5 trends, pollutant composition, monthly pollution levels, and most populated months. This visual highlights the seasonal air and the quality deterioration patterns. So now I will show the data set that I have used. Here I have uh, around 8 to 9 attributes. After that, I have performed the data cleaning in which I have submitted the time and month, also remove the duplicate value and handle the missing values from the data set. Nextly, I have reprocessed the data like in pivot table. Uh, Here is my dashboard. So now the first chart represents the dominant pollutant, is like the PM 2.5. No, like sorry. The first chart represents the monthly trend of PM 2.5, which is the most highly uh, composition pollutant, which is around like it is high spike in February and December. Secondly, it is about the composition of pollutants. Like here are the pollutants like carbon oxide, sulfur oxide, and oxide, nitrous oxide, ammonia, and nitrous dioxide. So here is the composition of all the pollutants. Thirdly, I have represent the monthly pollution levels. Like in each of the month, what are the pollution level of each and every pollutant. Like here I have say 4 pollutants, average value of PM 2.5, PM10 oxide and nitrous oxide. And actually here are the 4 months, 5 top polluted months where the composition of all the pollutants are maximized. And here are the two slicers that I have used. Firstly is the year slicer, like as it is about of 2 years. So 2021, 2022 and 2023. As the data is till January 2023, so it will show the data of January month only. And second one, I the as it is about to recording the data according to time, like in 24 hours. So at what time or the levels of the pollutant can be. So I have used the second slicer. So here are the final insights, like PM 2.5 trend shows a cyclic pollution pattern with a peak in November and December. Secondly, the pollutant composition dominates with the 78.72% share. Thirdly, PM10 and nitrous oxide rise parallel to PM 2.5 in winter. And the most populated month is Feb 21 is the worst with PM 2.5 average at 491.83. Here is the conclusion, like the analysis highlights that Delhi faces recurring air quality crisis during winter due to the level of PM 2.5 dominance. I would recommend after this analysis to strengthen the emission control during stubble burning period. Second, promote cleaner energy and transport alternatives. Third, implement the stricter monitoring and early warning systems. Fourth, conduct a year-round awareness campaign to reduce the localized pollution sources. Thank you.
Okay. The very first thing, keep on sharing your screen. Keep on sharing your screen. Yes. So where is your pivot charts? Okay. In a single sheet, you have done all of the pivot charts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then where is data pre-processing
Like as
sheet?
ma'am, there is no collection of less attributes. So I have collected or used the selected attributes for the analysis of data.
I didn't get you. Can you be a bit louder? Your voice is properly not audible. Like there is some of the echoing kind of thing happening. That's why I'm facing the issue.
Uh, Ma'am,
Hello?
am I audible?
Yes, yes. Now it's better. Now tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the what you did in the data cleaning? Because then, if you are doing it here only, if your data is almost clean, you didn't have to do anything. Then in the data pre-processing, the name shouldn't be data pre-processing for the charts that you have prepared. So you need to keep some other data like analysis of the data based on pivot chart or pivot table. Like that, you need to give the name of the sheet, not data pre-processing.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So just show me your raw data. Okay, it has date, Along with that, it has a carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, CO, nitrogen oxide, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of these gases, things we are having PM2.5, PM2_5, what is that about?
Ma'am, it is the like level, like the uh, we can say it is kind of like the pollutants level, a kind of.
PM, okay. Okay, fine, got it. So PM and PM10 NH3. Okay. So the very first thing that is, this is your raw data. You need to structure that and need to put it in a table. This is the first thing. Now go down to your clean data. Yeah. Okay. So from date, you have imported time, you have imported month, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
I
just
have splitted the particular column like to separate it in time, and another column is for month, like
month.
to analyze the
Okay, got it.
data according to months.
I got it. For the time and month, then put it into different color. So this sheet won't be of data cleaning. This sheet be of data pre-processing. Okay. So
Okay,
what
ma'am.
we are doing in cleaning in our raw data, if anything is mismatched, like if there is any duplicates or there is any missing value that we are taking on or we are identifying, that comes into data cleaning. But here you are putting another row, another field you are putting in based on a single segment of the from another column, right? So this will be from data pre-processing. Okay. And along with that, just colored this time and month, this two column, just make it into different color, maybe some of the light orangish or light greenish color, so that we can identify these two rows and columns, like these two columns, time and month was not there in our raw data. It has been laterly created. Okay. Now go down to your dashboard. You can do it later. Not an issue. You can do it later. Okay. So the very first thing, this is the data is go of Jan 2021 to 2023, and we have different months from starting from January 2021 going down to January 2023, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So it would irrespective of time, you have taken just taken the slicer based on months, because based on time, because the time frame is too long from 2021 to 2023. So 2 years around there we are going. So how we will be, what is the need to take it to the time? Right. So if there is any specifications that is being there based on time, we can take time into any of the proper chart, and based on that, we can prepare that. Right. So it would be a better option to implement time into a chart, so that we can find, is there any proper trend, the like based on the time we are getting, like maybe on any of the day specific, like any of the time we are getting more, the count of pollutants is going high due to any of the external reasons. Maybe if it is a air pollutant that is moving out, that is becoming more because of the industry, like the starting of the manufacturing plants, after the starting of the manufacturing plants, that we can take it down based on time. So there is no point of putting slicer here based on time here. You can put the slicer based on month. That would be more effective.
Okay, ma'am. Like as I have in the problem statement that I have analyze the data according to months. So in the four charts, I have already taken the months. So
I got it.
I have taken the
Okay, so
slicer
you
of
have
year and
taken it. I got it, fine. But in the fourth chart, you have taken the data based on month, right? So first, so the data is coming for February, December, November, January, and again February. What about the other months? You don't have the data based on that, right? Or you have
No,
just
ma'am.
uh
It is
okay.
it is like
Then
the most populated months in the period of January 21 to 23. So here are the top five most
top
populated.
five. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
got it.
Most
Fine.
populated months.
That's okay, that's fine. But in the slicer also, there is no point of putting it into on the basis of time. That doesn't keep a better check. So you can put any of the time out here. Suppose 7 you can put in, or you can put in around 12. Put it around 12. 12, put it. Just click it on.
Yes, ma'am. It is changed. Like here the levels of like on 7 p.m. the monthly population according to months are will is changed.
Okay, just go down and again click it. Click on any of the. Okay, fine. So it is coming down based on months. So, but this is actively working for a single chart, right? So you can
Yes,
take
ma'am.
the time-wise analysis for any of the pollutants and add that chart in, so that when you'll be putting the month over here, you will get the slicer change for it. So now also you can add a slicer for the month and see and add it up here and see how the data is changing. Add a slicer for month now. You can create it now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just go to data pre-processing. Now just click on any of the chart. Click it on. Yeah. Now go to pivot chart analysis and there you'll get the slicer based on months. Yes. Now it copy that and paste it in the dashboard. Okay. Now put the connection on. No, go down to slicer. Yes, yes. Put for all. Check check in for all. Now select for any of the slice month. See the data is changing. We are getting the change over all of the charts data. So that is more fruitful, right?
Like
While we are
as
comparing the time, so we are getting the change over a single chart. Other chart are staying as it is,
yes, ma'am. Like
right?
the pollutant composition and most populated months will be remain same. Their only change will be in the trend of PM 2.5 and monthly population levels of March after
Yes,
addition
and
of yes, ma'am.
yes. So pollutants composition that is not effective because you have only included 4 chart out of how many columns you are having. Go down to the column section. So if you are taking month, the time, like then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns you are having. If you are continue like including time and month, if not time, then you are including around 9 columns you are having, but you have only included 4 charts out of here. So that if you are including more number of chart based on the like along with the if you are including any like go down to the pre-processing data pre-processing section. Yes, so if you are including this chemical wise composition, like if you are taking it down with the any of the composition basically along with suppose CO you are comparing with PM 10 or NO2 comparing with PM 10 and seeing how the level is rising or getting deeper, then you can check on like based on that that will also vary based on the months, right? So that also you could have checked. So you can include more charts out here.
Ma'am, the reason behind like I have used 4 charts First, as the initial step of analysis is to firstly identify the problem statement. So I have firstly, as currently it is about winter season, about to be there. So I have taken as a problem statement to work on, like, in the month of as an hypothesis, like the pollutant levels in the winter season or in the month of October to December. So that's why I have taken four of the charts which basically describe the hypothesis or the problem statement that I have taken.
Okay, that's fine. Just go down your dashboard. There is no field called city, right? Okay, month. That is month. Okay, fine. Okay. I was confused on a bit. So I thought that is city. That's okay. I that understandable, but also you can include some of the charts also because there is other fields also. So you can see how the date, like the fields are changing over when you're putting it based on any other field, and you can take it on that basis. So that is the major thing I was asking. So I guess that would be the better option to take in because of when you're including, so you can include time with any of the other field and check how the data is moving in. I guess that would be a better thing to work on, except putting this slicer altogether because here when we are putting the slicer, we are changing for only a single chart. Other charts are remaining the same, and include some more charts so that if you are taking the time as a slicer also, if it is working better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Have
And
you created the Word file for the
yes, ma'am.
insights and okay, fine. Got it.
Here is the
Okay.
file.
Got it. Okay. That looks good. Fine. So you just share it in the mail, like what are the updation that you can do. Just work along with that. You can update your project a bit more because that is going for the evaluation. So based on this, your evaluation will be done. So update it a more better way. And along with that, just I have dropped the Google Sheet link. You just have to just submit your data up there in the chat. I have already given, just give your data up there, and along with that, once it is done, share it in the mail ID. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Thank you.
You can stop sharing. Yeah, thank you. Next is Prachi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start presenting.
Ma'am, is my screen is visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I have completed my Excel project, which is on employee performance analysis. In this,
Sorry, Prachi, to purge in, but it's evening. Okay, you can continue. Like you mentioned good morning, but it's
oh,
evening now.
sorry.
It's
Actually, okay.
okay. You can continue. It's okay.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, I have completed this project um, and I have done two major tasks, which is firstly, I have to represent the Excel dashboard, and second one is making report in MS Office. Firstly, I have fetched this data from Kaggle, and as we can see, there is no much need to do any cleaning, but there are blanks in department column. I have I have filled the blank with the others, and with this I have also include two more columns, which is age group and salary status. And before that, I have taken two formulas, which is average, and with that I have find out the average salary of the employees and the average age. With this average salary, I have created the column of salary status, which I represented with high, medium, and low accordingly to their salary of the employees. And with the age, I have differentiated the age in three majors part, which is senior, junior, and middle age. And with this, I have all these two columns of age group and salary status. I have used if formula or if function. And after that, I have created the pivot table, and firstly of department composition, second one is salary by department, third one is salary by employees, and then city wise salary split, and age group salary trend, and salary distribution insights, department versus age status. And here is my dashboard in which I also included the filters, and I will explain all the charts. In this salary by employees, we can see the Suraj Kumar Roy have the highest salary and Rinku Rawat as well as. In this, I have taken the top 10 employees who have the highest salary. And in second, we can see the department composition. In this, we can see data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, MIS analyst, research analyst, and others, which taken the 15 to 18% of total workforce. And then here is the chart of age group salary trend in which we can see junior employee have the highest total salary payout and lowest is the senior ones. We can see the company has a young force, possibly at the career stage, and then salary distribution insight. In and I will also show my insight which I've created in MS Office. Here are the insight, and lastly, I have also included the suggestion, and in which we can see the salary distribution insight, the data engineer. The salary distribution inside in which it is majorly distributed in three major components: high, low, and medium. We can see the low have the most of the part than the others, like 50%, and then the medium one, and then the high one. And here we can see the department versus age status. Those two columns which I have created is basically to make the chart more representable. And here we can see data analyst departments, all the departments under this in x-axis, and in y-axis we can see the salary, and here we can see the senior, junior, and middle age, which is differentiated with this cluster chart. In this we can see the senior professionals are really low in data, and this there is none, and which also can show that the senior staff are fewer as the opportunity to the seniors are very less, that the company only hire junior and the fresh blood. And then the other is salary by department. Here we can see the highest one is data scientist and MIS analyst have the highest salary level. And here is the city-wise salary split. In this, we can see the Jaipur, Kanpur, Lucknow, New Delhi, and Patna, and their percentage in salary wise split. And here is the filters. We can see low salary status and data engineer, how much is department composition part of here, and we can see salary by department here and by age group, and all the chart also changing accordingly to the filters. And we can see Aman Singh's performance, like in this, like he have the salary in between 15 to 20 million, and here the all the changes like in junior and in the middle as well as, and his salary distribution also. So all, so we, the insight which is come from this is that the organization appears that they have the diverse and evenly structured workforce with the largest share of mid-level professionals in analytical field, and the future focus which they have to do and the suggestions is they have to enhance senior level retentions, and they have to provide the trainings to the seniors level or the old employees so they can survive in the changing environment. And as the software change accordingly in today's market, they have to give training to the old employees so that they can survive in the changing environment so that the turnover rate can be lowered. Thank you.
Okay, Prachi. What are the insights specifically you have got from each of the chart, and based on that, what is the suggestions that you have given in, like, or the feedback?
Like they can um, enhance the senior level retention by providing the training to old employees so there can be more. One second, my screen.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. Like we can see in data analyst field there is no seniors, but we need to have more seniors. As we can see, if senior citizens or senior professionals have more experience in field so they can give more better suggestion, young and junior ones can give good suggestion accordingly to their knowledge, but I guess the experience by the seniors are more relevant, so they should provide training to the old and middle age ones so they can do better, so the
Okay,
overall
I got it. Have
companies.
you created the all of this in a
Not in the
Word file to
PowerPoint.
take it?
Sorry.
You have created in PowerPoint. Have you created this in Word file, like the
Yes, I
insights and the
created
feed?
in. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it? Okay, so these are the insights, and what are the recommendations?
Recommendations and future focus area should be here.
Okay, fine.
Like,
Got it. Fine. Okay. So that looks good as of now. Just a suggestion. Just go share your share your dashboard section. Yes. Salary by employee. You have taken top 10. That's fine, but the data looks too much cluttered up here. It's difficult to understand the details up here. So you can take it to top 5. That would be more useful to understand, because the data won't be cluttered up here much. So we'll get the top 5, and accordingly we can choose on. Okay, that is the first thing. And here we have got like 50K then 1 lakh, I guess. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000. So you can just change the zero with K value like 1,000. So 50K would be, then 100K would be 150K, 200K. So it would be easier for understanding, right? So
Okay.
just diminish the zeros with K so that it is easily understandable. Okay. Also do it for the age group salary trend so that it's easier for it. Like wherever we are getting more number of zeros, like the data is around 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 9 lakh, this sort of, there you just like work accordingly and just give like replace the zero with K, because more of the there we are taking it working with thousands, lakhs and millions. So if you
Okay.
are getting like 6 zeros round, just take it up like that so that we can understand it that way. Fine. So this is one, and just scroll it a bit down. Yeah. Department versus age status. Okay. Salary by department and city-wise salary split. Fine. And just show me the slices that you have taken it. Okay. Employee name, age status, department, and the salary status. Fine. Okay. Okay, Prachi, that looks good. You can do this major, like little changes you can do and you can share it. And just a minute, just go down to your raw data, like after raw data, then the pre-processing section. What is the pre-processing? This is your raw data, right? Okay, and this is your pre-processed data. Fine. So now the average salary that you have taken in, you need to give the data for all of the rows. So just drag it down. So you have used formula over here, right? Yes. So just drag it down so it will came for all. Yes. And since the values are supposed for the second, Raghav Kumar Sharma, it's 43526.66667. So just decrease the like the after point, the decimal points, you just decrease to 2 points or 1 point so that it's easily understandable. Also, the average age, you also need to drag it for all. Okay. And now this average salary, average age, you have newly created. So just color it to something else so that we can understand this you have just included in the data that was not there. It is by calculation you have taken it down. Okay. Along with that, you have included the age group, also the salary status. So salary status, you have already done the conditional formatting over, but for the age group, you just color it out. Okay. So that it can easily understandable. This have been laterly created, not included in the raw data. Okay. Hope I have
Okay.
made myself clear. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
do the necessary changes and you can submit your project. And as of now, just go ahead and like the Google Sheet link has been given, like Google Form link. You just fill up your details up there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Prachi, you can stop sharing. Next is your Prajna Mundal.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you present your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Like start with the presentation actually.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I have some. But, um, ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. My topic is nutritional data comparison. So here is my raw data, and here is some missing values and duplicate values. So I need to clean them, and I have cleaned it like this one. And here is my pre-processed data pre-processing part. Here I have added 4 columns and created some pivot charts.
Prajna, can you just zoom into the pre-processing steps that you have done because that was not visible to me?
Okay,
Just
okay,
zoom
okay.
it.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
It's okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Is it
Just
visible,
move it to
ma'am?
your right. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
now it is. Move it to your right. What you have created on, I just need to have a look.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, protein to calorie, nutrition, density score, fat to carb ratio, cost efficiency. Fine. Okay, just go ahead next with the pivot charts and tables.
Okay, ma'am. So here I created some pivot charts like food item versus category, food item versus calories, food item versus fiber, and so on. So and here is my dashboard. Is it visible, ma'am, or may I zoom it?
No, it's visible, but the datas are not visible. You can zoom it a bit
Okay,
more.
ma'am. Okay.
Fine. Yeah, that looks good. Fine. Okay.
Should I scroll down?
No, it's fine. You need to explain the
Mm.
stuff that you have included. So include, like, go ahead with that.
Okay. Here is the category. Food item versus category. So I have created in bar chart form, and here is the calories, food item versus fiber, and okay, the report. This is my slicer. This is not visible, I think. Is this visible, ma'am?
Yes, visible. Okay, just put it to any of the like so many slices. Why? Why? What is the requirement of so many slices?
Actually, I have created all the what can I say? Uh, I have many attributes like many columns. You can see that. So I have created like that.
That is understandable, but we can't
Okay.
create like can't take all of the slices at once, right? We need to identify like which one is connecting with what and what is majorly used up. So based on that, we need to create the slicer. But first of all, this is not the right way of creating the dashboard, right? So there is major
Okay.
like first you have written dashboard. That's okay, you have created dashboard, but what is the like nutritional data dashboard you could have tell like that, or how the data you have taken in that format you could have taken. Next, the slicers, you have it is just seeming like you have putted it. It's not connecting actually. So you have seen Prachi's dashboard, right? So how she has created. Also, yesterday, who else have created? I guess Somadeep have created his dashboard. Some some changes was there, but how he actually created, so it was putting it together. But these things are not putting it together. It's just like seeming you are you have copied copied the stuff and just pasted up here, just laid it over here. So this is not the correct way. First of all, second, coming down to the first chart, just zoom it in for the category with the food item, that one. Yes. Uh, yes. Yes, that looks good. Fine. So, category, but in the title, you can't put category. That doesn't make a sense that you are putting category based on the food item. So go down to your data. What is category actually? Go down to your data.
Okay, ma'am. May I go to the pivot section?
No, the pre-processed data.
Okay.
What is category? Okay, so papaya, is it a fruit or not? Chocolate, is it a snack or not? Or potato, it is a vegetable or not? That category you have taken it. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
So now go down to your dashboard. Food items wise category. Okay, that looks good, but I am not getting it. Like the title should be something else, like food item versus category, or food item is to category. That prediction, that like that chart you are doing, but that's okay. But this doesn't make sense because it is more cluttered. Things are not visible up. Now going down to just scroll it down, this sugar chart, so it contains majority of the datas, right? So we can't figure the things up. Okay, the sugar chart is here, the data is more cluttered. You have taken a 3D pie chart, but you can't understand, like for banana also there is an orangish color, and for cheese also kind of orangish color, but there is percentage stuff mentioned, nothing is mentioned. So you can take it, you can just sugar chart based on items, food items, that is a good trend that you have taken, but just take it to top 5 data so that it can easily understandable. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because this is looking more cluttered. Food
Okay,
items
ma'am.
versus sodium, that I understood. These things like energy, water, health score, these things like it is looking really very much cluttered, like the data are too many you have taken, but the chart is unable to fix that thing up. So you need to rework on it again, because things doesn't look that good. If you are not comfortable with this data set, you can take another data set that you can easily take into forward, and you can work on, but this doesn't look that good. The data set is good, but if you need to have a proper idea on what to do and how to do it, because the data that you have created, the charts, that is fine, but more cluttered on. You can just filter those things up based on top 5, or based some have a huge number of data. So food item versus sodium. So there is the data is too long. So you can change it to percent and or average also, and see how things are moving in. This is the way you have to work it. Okay,
Okay,
Pracha.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Should I all together in tomorrow's class?
Yeah, you do it once. Tomorrow in the session, I'll just see how you have done it. And
Okay, ma'am.
based on
Thank you.
that, we'll go ahead. But you need to work again, rework on these sections. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I have a question, ma'am. I mean, I
Yes.
have to show something. The slicer are it will be okay. Actually, it will work like this. Should I change it or not?
Yeah, the slicers are okay, but you have for every field you have used slicer. That is not
Acha.
recommended, right? At least
Okay.
add 2 or 3. That would be combining for all of the charts, and based off that, you can just take it on.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Should I use for all top 5?
No, just like you need to understand the data first, right? So when you are seeing the data, like the data is too much and it is getting cluttered up, one can't understand that. There you just change it to maybe percentage form, or filter it to top 5, and like align this thing up. I guess you have seen others how dashboard is. So based on that, you can work. Even you can have seen Ramakrishna's data set. So I have suggest to change that, but how he has actually presented in the dashboard that you have seen, right? So this is how you need to present it over the dashboard. So you can check with the others, like you have like Prachi also have presented in the session before you. So I guess you have seen how her dashboard looks. So this is how actually you need to show. Even in the session also, how I have shared, I have make you understand about the dashboard. How was my, like I have, I guess, included 2 to 3 max to max slicers, not all fields. And my data contains so many fields, right? So your data is also like that. So many fields are there, but you can't include a slicer for all of the fields. That's not recommended.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Prajna, you can stop sharing your screen. Fine. Next is Yogeshwaran. You are here.
Yes, ma'am.
You can start with your presentation.
Okay.
Prajna, just fill the Google form up. I have shared you. Like I have shared in the chat actually. Just fill that.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening. This is Yogeshwaran. I'm going to present uh, my data analyst project. This is on Spotify churn analysis. This is the data set I have gathered from a Kaggle. Uh, in the beginning, there is a different type of column like user ID, gender, age, and country. In the country column, if we filter it means we can see up to 7 columns. Wait. Yeah, 7. The D is not familiar with some members, so I clarify like D is the cut short for Germany, and other you guys have known AU for Australia and CA for Canada, France, India, Pakistan, UK, and US, and uh, and the subscription type is like an in Spotify there is the many subscriptions like for free members it mentioned as free, and other subscriptions like Duo, Family, and Free, that's based on how many members can use, and listening time, the songs that can be listened by each customers for how many minutes, it is based on minutes, and song played per day, it's mentioned, and the skip rate is mentioned in point percentage. We can either convert to 20 percentage, like changing the format like this. Wait. Yeah, like this we can convert. I just stick it with 0.2 percentage because I use formulas on next, and in next column is device type, in which device they have used, and add lesson per week. It's in per week, so this and all listening time and song played and all in days. This is in per week, and offline listening and is mentioned as in 0 and 1. The 1 mentions the offline listeners, and the 0 mentions the online listeners. And there is also a churn is mentioned, is churned. If 1 indicates means yeah, the person is currently churned, like the currently the person is not using, and 0 means the person is active, still using the Spotify for listening songs. Okay. So with this data sets, first I cleaned in this data cleaning, I cleaned the data set. like first, um, I use proper function for headers and trim the entire data set to get unnecessary errors. And I also do the processing, like creating a new column like age group by using ifs functions. If it is an 50 or above, it's 51 and like that. And I also created a subscription status like unpaid, paid, based on subscription type. Free means paid, and others and all unpaid. And listening minutes per day. I have listening. I have categorized into listening minutes category. Like there are so many minutes that customers have listened, out to 300 minutes. So I just categorized it into very low, low, and normal, high, and uh, very high. And yeah, that's also used using ifs function. And the song played. Uh, and I also created a skip rate category with the skip rate. There are total of 60 percentage, I think, 60 percentage. So I categorized into 6 columns. I think. Yeah, more than 50 percentage, less than 10 percentage, and 10 to in between. And device type and had listened. And I have categorized, created and two different new columns like online with an offline listeners. Zero means online, one means offline, and the churn status converting into if one means churn and the zero means active. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All are done using ifs functions. And after that, I copy and paste it in a new sheet with an paste as an value. This is my clean data set. Okay. After that, I have created an KPI. So I can present in a dashboard. This is used by an pivot table. Uh, First, I didn't use, but I have just showing you. This is a churn status for an average listening time, like active customers average listening time and churn listening time, and the overall churn rate. I have calculated using pivot like average overall churn rate, like show value as an rate. Yeah, yeah, okay. I have used churn rate column. For that, if I categorize means if the zero columns will be some, and after that I have
I'm not getting your voice, Yogeshwar. Hello, am I audible? Others, can you reply? Prachi, Prajna, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can't hear Yogeshwaran voice, right? Okay,
hello,
there
ma'am.
might be.
Now I can.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello.
You are not like you are not
Sorry, ma'am.
audible in between. Yes, yes, I understand. It's okay. Might be network issue. You can reshare and start from where you left.
Yeah, ma'am. The current has been gone, so that's why that issue. Okay, I'll
Okay,
reshare.
okay, not an issue.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Just go ahead with the KPI section only.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, overall churn rate. From there you move in.
Okay, ma'am. Overall churn rate. We can use formulas like the total number of customers divided by churn customers. So I used for pivot table I used average, and the total number of customers is 8,000. And I also categorize like active how many customers, and churn how many customers. So this and all the basic KPIs I have done. And this is gender wise analysis. Uh, like I used for gender column in rows, and the churn status in column, and count of customers. I use user ID, so it is an unique row. So the two three out of is the female counts for a churn is 816, and male count is 125. So male churn rate is higher. And female, I also categorize using the percentage of churn rate for male and female. The male is higher. And for age group, also I have created like this. Okay. I created a new column, right? So age group, I use that columns to categorize the active and churn counts, and there are churn rates. Here the churn status for an subscription type. This is paid users subscriptions, like 26.4%. Wait. Yeah, the unpaid users, like free users, uh, churn rate is 26.4 compared to the paid users. So, and their counts also mentioned here. Wait. Okay. Churn status. Churn status subscription. Okay. The like that sense subscription
Yogeshwaran, you
status that
can directly move down to the dashboard, and from
dashboard.
there you
Okay.
can take it to the charts that you have taken.
Okay, ma'am. So this is subscription type charts, and this is country wise, and listening type time categories, and listening status, and skip rate analysis, desktop, like it's device type. Okay, and this is my final dashboard, Spotify customer analysis. We can full. This is so this and all the first four I use this shape and the text column. So these are the four what KPIs, and these are the gender wise counts for churn distributions. The male churn rates are higher compared to female. And when and this is churned user by listening status, like uh, through which device, like desktop, web, smartwatches, and mobile. When we categorize like mobile as and more churn, what this is not sorry, users. This is uh, the right one is the light blue is the churn, and the dark blue is an active members. So uh, uh, out of two out of that, the mobile has and churn users are around 989. The rest are less, and the active is also less. Okay. This is subscription. This is a subscription type wise churn status. This is active. The out of this, I forgot. Yeah, the free users have the more counts, like churn counts. Okay, and and I used churn counts for subscription status. I mentioned, I think, in that visuals. And this is churned users by listening status, like online listeners and offline listeners. The online listener has 55 percentage compared to offline, and this is country by churn counts. Uh, the Australia has and more counts, churn counts, but when compared to churn rate, the 20 Germany has and more, 27.5 percentage, and impact of listening. This is I categorize the listening time using category, right? So this is the visual I created. These are all the counts: 1086 counts for very low and 1246 like that. Um, Device-wise ads, the ads for free users, the ads will show. So uh, the desk, the mobile users have one more 64.6K view ads they have shown from all customers I have in. And age group churn rate. All are similar for demographic. This is my data analyst view. And for I also add some slices like mail, video, like subscription status. If we categorize like mail means the 4,837 customers, and in that active customers is like 3,582, and churn rate is 1,253. And if we categorize like female means 3,000, around 3,000 customers. In that, how much is active and how much is churn have categorized. We can also use subscription status. It can change like that. For DO, it's obviously paid, and family also paid, free only unpaid, right? So this and all. This is my visual. From this, I created and like insights and report, small insight. The mobile users are I as an I churn rate. This from the visual, and the churn is from we categorize like behavior, age and gender. It's more like similar demographic, but when we categorize, yeah, 41 to 50 percentage age as and more active users and counts, and the listening time and skip rate. Users with a low listening time and an high skip rates are more likely a churn, like churn, and the free the paid users like yeah, the paid users have a more churn rate. So this and all the inputs I have gathered, and the countries like Australia and Pakistan. Australia, and Pakistan and France. This and all has the more churn rates like 27%. So I have gathered that. So my recommendation is improve the app stability for mobiles. So if there is more users for a mobile only. So and promote upgrades for free to pay as and re-engage with a low listening users like send current playlist or remaining notifications. And overall churn is moderate, like 25.9, but mostly influence using usage behavior rather than demographic. Mm, that's all, ma'am.
Okay, got it. Just show me your data set, the raw data set.
Yeah,
This is your raw data set. Okay, fine. And
yeah.
the data pre-processing?
Let up. I have cleaned and processed in same date, same shift. This is the data which.
Fine. See, the first of all, the formatting part, some data is right aligned, someone is left aligned. Make it accordingly. Either one should be left, another right, like another right won't be happening. Make it either right aligned or centrally aligned or left aligned for all of the data. Okay, for also the raw data also, because from there also we are taking it, right? So work it like that. Next, you have
Um,
added age group, subscription status, listening category, is it?
yeah, ma'am. In minutes, I have mentioned
Like,
like minutes. That's all.
okay, fine. So it is listening category.
Yeah,
Skip rate categories. Okay, got it. Next is listening scale and the churn status that you have added on. Like previously it was 0 and 1, you have changed to churned and active members, right?
yeah, ma'am. So you can easily understand. So
Yes, right. Yeah, that's fine. That's understood. So the pre-processing looks good. And now go down to your dashboard. Okay, that also looks fine. No issues with the dashboard. As of now, this is fine to go ahead. You don't have to change anything. Just take care of the front and the alignment section of your raw data as well as with the pre-cleaned and pre-processed data that you are taking. So even the raw data, we need to maintain a proper format alignment so that it can easily understandable at least. Okay. The data set is also fine. You don't have to change anything. Things looks good up here. It's just that you need to improve your presentation skills. I was seeing like when you are just explaining things up, in that meantime, you are like busy with changing the font, changing the colors and stuff. So that you can do later also, right? So this actually distracted me. So that is not required. Fine. Like don't do it while you are in a presentation. So you need to improve your presentation skills up. Rest, this part is doing good. Like the dashboard is good to submit in. And just go ahead, share, like submit your work, like project that you have done. Submit it in the Google form. Sorry, in the mail ID. Also, fill the Google form. Okay.
yeah, ma'am. I have one doubt, ma'am. Yesterday,
Yes.
sorry, Monday, I didn't submit. Today only I submit in the afternoon the project. I also
You have
may,
already submitted.
yeah, ma'am. I thought like in Sunday is the deadline, so it's already Tuesday, so I have submitted on rush, ma'am.
Fine, that's
But
okay, that's okay. But
but I
you do the that format change, you do it and reshare it. But it's okay, that is not required because you just need to update the format. Other things are on the point, so you don't have to redo it. That's okay. Fine. You don't have to redo it. Hopefully, you have attached the GitHub link, attached the file along with the Word file. All of it you have shared, right?
No, ma'am. I have shared the Excel and documents, that Word document. I didn't know about the GitHub. Now only I have known when the person
Okay,
asked
then you
from
have to
starting the meeting.
reshare. Yes, yes, I got it. Then you have to reshare the mail. Just share it in the GitHub. Give the GitHub repository like the ID URL. Just share it like that, and along with that, share the Excel file along with the report in the mail. Okay.
In my GitHub, first I want to upload this project in my GitHub, and after that, I share the link in my mail, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I
Okay.
want to forward or again or new mail,
You
ma'am.
can you just reply over that very mail with the updation that you have attached the GitHub repository. Just mention your week, which week project it is, week one project, project title, along with that the GitHub repository link. Attach the files, like the files are already attached. You don't have to attach it again. Just add the GitHub repository link.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay. So guys who are left with the presentation, for those who are new, for them the project, like the submission of the project is left, right? Yogeshwaran, you can stop sharing. Yes. So
Yeah.
guys who are left, I guess some are left, like they have already left the call, so I can't tell to them. I guess here who are there, they have already presented in the session. So Prajna, you are telling about someone, her grandmother passed away. Rogina, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Rogi, Rogina. So just ask her to present it with the help of like they can do it with the Zoom app. They have to upload the presentation video, and accordingly they have to submit, like drop that, like upload that video in the Google in the Google like the Drive, and from there you have to share the Drive video link in the mail who haven't presented in the session. So for her, just convey this message to her. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
guys, hopefully we are done with the session. Who have to done some of the changes and the updation in the project, kindly do it and reshare your project for your evaluation. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow for the session for this week, like for week two, and we'll accordingly coordinate and work for like study and work in from Wednesday going down to Friday, and from Friday, the similar way you will be shared with the project for week two. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
should I fill out the Google form or I should wait
Yes, yes, you
tomorrow?
have presented in the session. So fill out the Google form. Just attach the project that you have prepared. Like that project, just fill it up, and later you can just take it on. But fill up the
Okay,
Google
ma'am.
form because your presentation is done in the session, right? But you needed some of the updation that you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, so I am just wrapping the session up now. We'll meet tomorrow with a proper, fresh new session. Okay, guys. Bye. Guys, you can leave the session. It's over. Bye. Yeah. Thank you, Ramakrishna. Bye.